Okay, we are here at the entrance to Park Guell. This is one of Gaudi's creative expressions. This is the area where the buses drop off everybody to come, and as you can see, there's a lot of tourists from all over the world in this area, including me, tourist from America. So, Holistic Travel Guy is all about creating an experience through video for people to enjoy alternative places in the world other than their own home, their own backyard, their own place of work. And this is a very unique and interesting spot. This is the line for the tickets. Tickets are €10 general admission and €12 if you want to have a guide. This is a little map overview of the park here. Talks about Park Guell in Spanish, and it also talks about all the highlighted features of the park. The numbers are highlighted sculptures or architecture that have names to them. Here's a little bit more about the renovation projects that are going on during these videos. You're going to see a lot of construction work and renovations going on inside the park. So we're going to go in the entrance into the free area. There's no admission to get into this area. Otherwise, if we wanted to wait in line, we could. Hello, starting right here. Aqui. Can you have that little map we gave you? The little that thing, yeah. Thanks. So here's a little bit better overview, more of a 3D visual overview of Park Gaudi. And you can see in the red zone area, that's where they're doing a lot of construction. There's the Gaudi Museum on this map as well, which is supposedly an amazing exhibit of some of Gaudi's smaller works, including his bedroom and other parts of the house that are very intricately designed. This is a multi-terraced park. There's a lot of terraces. In other videos I'm going to post, you'll see me on the very top of that mountain up there, where the cross stone pile is with the cross on top. That's what I'm trying to say. All right, so there's a little bit of an overview of the park. So now we're going to just continue with a little walking tour and probably have some cool free downloaded YouTube music playing during this segment. I did get my first copyright infringement notification on YouTube a couple days ago. The notification came with a asterisk that said, this does not go against your account. This is not a strike against your account. However, one of the music tracks that you downloaded might be copyright protected. So I'm not sure why YouTube's algorithms doesn't know for sure if it is copyrighted or is not copyrighted. But when I downloaded it, it said it was free, non-copyrighted music. In fact, I downloaded it from YouTube. So I'm not sure why they don't know that, but that's where I got the music from. So now we're going to go into a lower area that's also free. And we're going to follow this tourist group into here and see some really cool sculptures and architecture. Okay, we're now coming down into the free area of the Park Guell Gaudi sculpture creation area. Up on top there are the folks who bought the tickets for 10 to 12 euro. 10 euro general admission will get you into the main area of the paid zone, and then down here is the free zone where you don't have to have any admission, but you can still enjoy the Gaudi sculptured and terraced areas of the park, including right over beyond this gate is the Gaudi Museum. This is the back side of the Gaudi Museum, and then down over this direction is more of this kind of like sculptured tunnel that Gaudi created, mostly out of stone and concrete, perhaps stone and maybe like a mud mixture. Not sure exactly what's the mortar is in between these stones. Maybe like a clay type mud used as mortar. I have to ask somebody that. So we're going to continue walking in the free area right over here.
Die chauffe nog aan heat. Het is mooi vandaag.
西瓜牛杯啊！帶個西瓜牛杯翻嚟啊！過兩啲嘢。哇！你都冇事。
Alright, we're still at Park Guell. In fact, this is the paid area right below us. But right now we're taking a shot of this parrot nest. And the only reason we know it's there is because we heard them squawking a few moments ago. Oh, there they go again. There's a whole bunch of them squawking in the trees behind us. So apparently they have nests all through this park. And you don't typically see parrots in this type of temperate zone. So I'm not sure if these parrots are going to migrate or not, but this is a very unusual zone, temperate zone for parrots. Usually they're in much warmer climates. It does get very hot here during the summer, but it also gets very cold here during the winter. I'm not sure how this is going to come out, but there's a parrot right up there working on his nest. And there's several more in the trees next. You can hear them. Not a good shot, but it is a very good experience to have some parrots just above our heads. And they're actually pretty big too. They're not tiny parrots, they're very large parrots.